Hello, my name's Mark Maxey. I work for Raytheon, and I'd like to have the opportunity to talk to you a little bit about some of the things that we do with Artifactory that I think are not often talked too much about. You hear a lot about microservices and big data. You hear a lot about the continuous delivery, people who deliver into production every 11 seconds to thousands of VMs. Well, these people are really awesome and great, but what do you do about the vast majority of us who work in legacy systems, who have to deal with a lot of weight of architecture and code from the past, with a culture that isn't necessarily up to date with continuous integration or delivery or even service-oriented architecture? So I have a lot to say about what we've done, and I'd like to share with you all about how we've taken multiple systems of programs, combining them together into aggregating them together into larger programs. We've taken lots of non-service oriented stuff and created a pipeline where people can use old legacy ways of doing things and adapt them into the pipeline. Along the way, we've created lots of several user plugins and that have helped us to be able to do some pretty interesting things that I don't think a lot of other people do, or at least I haven't heard about them. We've done some pretty interesting things with deploying data and tracking metadata in Artifactory about deployments. We have aggregated the multiple non-service oriented components together into one single baseline. We've done a lot with trying to track version control system metadata and combining that with deployment data help us understand what is going out to the systems and letting people to be able to choose what gets deployed based off of a combination of the metadata and Artifactory on what features, what customer-oriented features are available. Anyhow, we have a lot of interesting stuff going on that I think a lot of people would be interested in, but don't necessarily hear a lot about. So if you're interested in hearing what some of us old farts do, then please give me a call, write me an email. Thanks. Bye bye.